So hello everybody, today we're at an event and we have Jenny here who said, have you ever seen the hair ties before?
No.
No?
Nope.
Okay. Have you seen them on ads or friends have them or nothing?
No.
Literally nothing?
Nope, nothing.
Okay, awesome.
Never.
Awesome, I love that. Because we're trying to get like first people's reaction to the hair tie, so go ahead and pick out a hair tie real quick and then I'll kind of show you how it works. Okay, awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in your hair just like a normal hair tie, so just go ahead and put your hair up. Then what we're going to do is going to find this clasp, lift that up at an angle and let it fall out of your hair.
Okay.
So go ahead and put your hair up and we'll size it for you. So she's just going to throw her hair up. Perfect.
Okay.
And then let's see, you want to show the camera? Let's see, so her hair, you can actually see, it's actually really thick. You have pretty thick hair, you know that?
I have very thick hair.
Okay, I now know you have thick hair too. But it's actually pretty secure with that. Like we could probably trim off one section and it probably feels looser than typical hair ties. Doesn't it feel loose?
It does feel loose like on the sides. But
and then, but actually it's not going to move. So
okay, it doesn't move.
Yeah, you could actually wear that all day and see. It's going to feel looser than a typical hair tie. Most hair ties you have to make super tight in order for them to hold. The reason it's holding so well is that every other one is flat, so it's sitting flat against your hair, which is causing it not to slide. And then when you want to take it out as opposed to ripping that out, you're just going to reach back until you find that piece of plastic. Once you find it, just go ahead and lift that up and let it fall out. You're going to do it one-handed.
I did
now
it.
You're just showing off. What do you think?
Hair.
What do you
I love it.
Did it feel good?
Yeah, it felt really good. It did feel a little loose, like I would normally want to go another time. But other than that, if you can just trim them off, then that'd be perfect. I like
do you want me to trim one and see if it feels a little bit more snug?
Sure.
Okay, so I can do that for you. So let's do this. I'm going to grab the little things and cut it. So she wants to wear it a little bit tighter, so we'll trim it a little bit shorter here, and you'll kind of feel the difference.
Okay.
So try this one. Do the same thing, just wrap it twice.
Okay.
Do you have any problems typically with hair ties? You have any
yes,
issues with
not.
them?
They don't stay put very long.
Yeah, they slide out.
That one feels.
Because your hair is pretty heavy.
Yeah,
right?
it's very heavy. It feels.
Yeah, that one's a lot more.
A lot better. Yeah, I don't feel like it's falling out as much.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
So,
I don't think the other one would have fallen out, but if you like, everybody likes their hair types a little bit different, so whatever you're more comfortable with.
Okay.
Then when you want to take it out, just the same thing, just pop it off and let it fall out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for girls with thicker hair, like, would you recommend for them to try it out?
Because I have really thick hair, and it held really well.
Yeah.
Really well. So yeah, absolutely.
All right. Well, thanks for trying it out.
Thank
and I appreciate
you
you taking your time.
No problem.
You
Thank
can
you.
keep that one as
Okay,
well.
thank you.
Cool.